Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company in Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show all of our new employees, teaching them how to become professional painters, but we also do drywall repair work here. This is video 1 of 3 of just patching a large hole. It's hard to see what size hole we have here, but I can get about 3 fingers into this hole in the wall. We just went ahead and put a hole in our wall to be able to show you this. You could also use this with someone put a fist through a wall or a head through a wall or maybe a piece of furniture. We like to use this, it's called Fiberglass Patch. It's just a piece of mesh over a very thin piece of metal. The first thing we do though is if we have loose areas like this, I do like to cut those out so that things are pretty tight there. This actually has an adhesive on one end, so we peel it off. That's sticky on one side and not the other. And again, a real thin layer of metal here. We go ahead and center that up, and you want to spend a little extra time pushing this down. This does tend to pop up sometimes if you don't take some extra time pushing it down really well. So you want to take some time pushing it down very, very tight. Now this will just be our first coat. I'll go ahead and show you how we would do our second coat and third coat, and then final sanding on some upcoming videos. We've already had some joint compound mixed up here. It was a quick set joint compound, 45 minute. We go ahead and lay our knife down to get it really heavy over that patch. Notice how I'm laying my knife down, pushing hard so I can kind of fill the area. Then I go ahead and come off into my pan, take off some of the excess, lifting my knife up a little bit, going a couple different directions. And that's all that you do for first coat. For more information, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.